Welcome to the Late Night Show at TIW Radio. And here's your DJ, KNC.
Wasn't part of the plan. It took me 30 years to understand that I ain't the one who make it, debated over again whether or not to keep you, rather or not to lead you. Knowing that I concede you, how could I turn and delete you? Been in that clinic before, saw the pill and the needle, walking out she in tears, probably thinking I'm evil. I'm thinking we dodged the bullet, give ourselves some time to peel. We may love a week later and give ourselves no time to heal. I'm thinking it's time to chill, hit the yard for a vacay, tell her don't take the pill. Wasn't thinking about no baby, was thinking about my heyday, be 20-something and rich. I know that she getting thick, acting funny, and now I understand everything it takes to be a man. I'm asking you for forgiveness while holding them to your hand, praying that we can make it, and I never let you down. On your head is the crown, my firstborn. You bring me black joy, everything it takes to be a man. I'm asking you for forgiveness while holding on to your hand, praying that we can make it, and I never let you down. On your head is the crown, my firstborn. You bring me black joy. The only time I'm happy is around you. A lot of you inside of me, inside of you, it's all truth, it's all new. Still trying to make the adjustment, feel back from everything, rapping, writing, the hustling. Problems feel like they double, we struggle to stay afloat. Before I ever let you sink my bare hands and build a boat. Thinking about your future, birthdays and graduations, how your grandpa gave me advice on all these situations. I'm hoping to build a kingdom, hand you over the castle, be the first one in the crowd while you flipping over your tassel, cheering you from the sideline. Basketball or soccer, instead of being a rapper, hope you strive to be an author. I'm hoping that I can offer encouragement and support, but beware Snoop Dogg.
Let's have a look at the weather.
It's a sunny sky here in the woods. There are some clouds, but it will be a nice evening with a clear view to the stars.
All types of instruments in action. And also some other special guests. Strap in.
I live my life like a dream. She flying designer jeans, but more likely lie by the ocean. I live my life by the beach, ain't affected by effing traffic. No more in the car that screech. I don't bother with seeing people. I hope they ain't mad at me. I'll be open to visit, but bitch, if I could come out and stay, then that means that you could come also. It could work either way. I don't work, but I'm my own shape. Don't be hurt if we don't collab. It ain't personal, dag, but I'm sure if a bag got in the way, don't mean to brag. But I spend my life in the lab to get okay. It feels good to get out of town for now. Filet for lounder for lounging with a visor. No need to buy some shades. I got $100 from $250,000 plays. I mean, shit sucks, but what can I do? I still got good luck as fuck, I hope that you do too. I don't wish a negative thought on anybody I knew, cause that karma could bite you like the rattlesnake did the dude who had a pill in the visa. I think my visa payment is due. Assume that I sooner or later go boom. Until then, I'll settle for living how the millionaires do, but with a southern girl who can cook, so we got better food.
at TIW Radio, Mr. KNC.
I sleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a